I've been able to make over 12% using Bybit Copy Trading in just a few days of activating it. Now, if you want to make the same, let's get to this video. Open the Bybit app. Now click on Copy Trading. Now, copy trading is structured for people who fancy the idea of trading but do not know how to do it themselves. They do not know how to perform technical analysis. They do not know how to perform fundamental analysis, but they want their funds to work for them, to yield fruits for them. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Bybit Copy Trading account and select the perfect trader for maximum and consistent profits. That's it. Let's get to it. Now, for you to copy a trader or get into copy trading, all you have to do is just select a trader and copy. But for you to be able to select the perfect trader, you have to impute certain criteria or certain commands for you to be able to find the perfect trader. So click on all master traders. Now at the top here, you can see that there is a filter at the top. Click on that filter, select 30 days, 90 days. You can see a whole lot of headings here. You can see date range, you can see master trader rank, you can see master trader type, you can see the country of the trader, you can see the master trader badge. What I like to do here is select 30 days. So now this trader should have been trading for 30 days or longer, and also the rank. So now I like to select from bronze, silver and gold. So this is a filter. You'll see what that does in a second. So all master traders, I leave it at that. All master traders. All countries, I leave it at that. The country does not really matter. So now here at the bottom is the really important part. So you have to select what criteria the trader should actually meet. So top profit, top ROI, return on investment. The trader should be stable and should be on a winning streak. So confirm. As you can see, it has generated or given me traders that match what I just entered in the filter. So now this will actually help me narrow it down more. So now these are traders that have 30-day ROI of 3.0%, 12.82%, and this trader here has 80.72% as his ROI. So that seems solid. Click on this guy to find out more details. Now he has a total number of 1,983 followers. He has been trading for 169 days, has a stability index of 5.0 over 5.0. Now he has a little description here that says I mainly trade ETH, USDT, and rarely BTC, XRP. I trade based on mixture of technical indicators on daily candles. Now you don't need to read more about that because I guess the central idea is for you not to actually know more about trading. Yeah. So as you can see, these are the criteria we entered. He's a top profit trader, top ROI trader. He is stable. He has a win streak. He has low leverage, and he has trend trader. So as you remember that we didn't actually select low leverage and we didn't select trend trader. Now you can also select all those other criteria, but these top 4 are the ones that I like to select. So now this low leverage and trend trader were developed by default. So it was part of his own profile. So most traders or some other traders may not have low leverage and trend traders. And trend trader, you can actually select that on the criterias that we earlier selected this 4 criterias. Now, if you scroll down, you see more details about this trader. You can see his performance. You can see his ROI in the last 7 days. So all the statistics are for the last 7 days. You can see the Masters Trader PNL. You can see the Master Traders win rate is 100%. You can see his followers PNL is in the negative. Yeah, so that is already a red flag. But don't let that discourage you, because in trading you win and you lose. So if you click on this arrow here and change this 7 days to 30 days, you can see that, yeah, this trader is actually profitable long term. So if you're copying this trader long term, you should be profitable. So you can see his maximum drawdown is 11.70%. And for me, the maximum drawdown should be within 10 to 15%. That is the sweet spot. For those that do not know what maximum drawdown means how much, or what's the percentage of a trade going against you or going bearish before it starts going bullish or going in favor of the trader or the traders. That is basically what it means. So you can see that his trading history in the last 7 days has been Ethereum. If you scroll down, you can still see his other details. You can see where it says trading history. You can also select past 30 days. You can see he majorly trades ETH, XRP, USDT. So if you go down, there's nothing else. His trading records, he has hidden them. That is based on his preference. That is not a red flag or reason for you not to copy him. So if you look at his current positions, he has also hidden this info as well. Until you follow him, then you'll be able to see those info. But for right now, we are still performing fundamental analysis sort of on this trader. So past copy trades, we can actually see that. So followers, we can see his followers, and they are seemingly making profit. They are making profit. So if we want to copy this trader, click on copy. Enter the amount you wish to copy with. The minimum you can copy with is $50. Enter copy stop loss. Copy stop loss, I don't like to use more than 30%. So click on the arrow there, enter by percentage, 30%. Now you scroll down, you can see where it says advanced settings. Click on advanced settings. You can see margin mode, follow master trader setting, leave it at that. Now where it says max position margin per contract, $20. Since I'm trading with $50, max position per contract means for each of the coins he's trading, how much do you want to enter each trade with? That's what it means. Now the next heading here is max daily position limit. Since I have just $50, I will make it equated to $50. So max daily position limit means how many times or how much do you want to put in each day for trade. So since I have just $50, I'll put in $50. So based on my max position margin per contract, this means that if the trader is trading 2 coins per day, $20 for each coin, that is $40. What will be left in my wallet is $10. So each day $40 is what I am using to trade. Now take profit ratio per order 0%, leave it at that. Stop loss ratio per order, leave it at that. Max slippage per order, leave it at that. Now here where it says choose a contract, you can see total 61 contracts. Click on that little drop down. You can see that every coin here has been selected. Now you have to select the top coins that your trader actually trades. Yeah, that is very, very important. So you can unselect this. So this trader trades mainly BTC, ETH. So that is what I will select. Now click on confirm. Click on copy now. You can see successfully copied. So that's it. I hope you start making money on Bybit Copy Trading. The link to sign up on Bybit Copy Trading is in the description. I will see you in the next video.